unpredictability. The milkman, the paperboy, the evening TV. Everywhere you go, there's a heart, a hand to hold on to. You look everywhere you go, there's a face. La 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 la.
Oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm gonna do. How am I gonna tell them? Oh no. Oh no, I have no friends. Oh my gosh, I'm not sure what to do. And you know, I'm just a disappointment as master. You know, oh hey Michael, I'm having some issues right now, but, Ma told me to wear 2 pairs of underwear, so luckily I did. But, I'm not really sure, like, what would Derry say,
Oh, hi, how you be doing?
Oh, hi, Andrew, how you be doing?
I'm doing pretty good.
Yeah, can I play with you guys?
Yeah, you can. Why?
You see, I pooped my pants.
Oh my God, you pull your pants?
Guys, I don't feel so good.
Oh my God, is it going up? Oh my God, oh my God, I can't believe it. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, I don't even know what that is. Oh my God, oh my God, did you keep coming? It don't stop. Oh my God, did you keep coming? Oh my God, oh my God. It just did it. Oh my God, it will never end. Oh my gosh, it will never end. Oh my God.
What you be doing? Why you be there? Why you be throwing up? You be a disgrace to the entire family. Come on, let go. I taking you out of whole school. You put your pants and now you throw up. I can't believe you, You be such a disgrace to the entire family. I don't know why you do that. And how do you even have friends? I don't even know. How do you do that?
I be on my computer. Michael, I gotta go to the bathroom.
Okay, have fun. I'm gonna put porn on his computer. Uh-oh, I think he's coming back.
Okay, I'll be back. You be doing good, yeah, you be doing. Yeah, I'll be back. Oh, hi, Mallory.
Oh, hi. Hey, what you been watching?
Oh my gosh! Why did we put on my computer? Oh no! I didn't mean to. I don't do that. I didn't mean to do that. I didn't do that. I swear, I didn't do it. You can't, Malaria. Oh my gosh, you can't do that to me, Malaria. No, you can't do that to me. I don't do it. We really want to go to the principal's office. Why do I have to go to the principal's office? This is not fair.
Next person, come in.
Hello, Mrs. Principal. How you be doing?
Why were you watching porn?
I didn't do it. I swear I didn't do it. I don't know who put that on my computer, but I can swear it wasn't me.
I do not believe you.
But how do you not believe me? I mean, it clearly wasn't me. I was innocent, I swear. You can't do this to me. I didn't do nothing wrong.
Your dad's a sex offender. It was clearly you. You have a fetish for little kids, including horses.
No, I don't. I swear I don't.
You're under arrest. You have the right to remain silent.
Wait, you can't do this to me.
Turn around. You gonna be under arrest. Come on, come with me.
Wait, I didn't do nothing wrong. You can't do this to me. I have a horse at home, and I have my and Pop. Actually, they're probably happy I be gone.
Get into your cell, sir, or ma'am. I'm not really sure what you are.
But I can't. Pa! Hi, Pa. How you be doing?
Order. How you been doing? Did you also get caught touching little kids again?
No, I was just watching porn. But I wasn't really, but I wasn't.
Okay, if you say so,
Pa, you need to stop touching little kids. Oh, you having fun smoking, wasn't you?
I do been smoking a
You
lot.
don't got
but
your
I miss
smoke
my
shop.
smoke shop so much.
Oh yeah, look at these horses, get it on. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Hi, Andrew. What you be doing?
I've been doing research on explosives for scientific
Hey,
reasons.
what you be doing? You be watching porn?
No man, what the fuck? Oh, you hit me, oh my gosh.
You not supposed to curse. Why you be cursing? Oh my gosh, you be a disgrace to the whole family. Oh my gosh.
Ma, I'm sorry. Let's go to the bed.
Oh yeah, E. Oh, that's a strap on.